Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Okay, today I am going to be making a Christmas garland for my mantle, and that is a garland that I purchased at Dollar General, and I believe it's 8 feet long, and it is pre-lit, and it has the berries and pine cones on it. Some ribbon I purchased at Sam's Club, and you'll need 2.5-inch width with wire and 2 different colors of ribbon. I just had a lot of things that I had out as options, but I went with the navy and the gold. So I'm just showing you some of the things, and I also just went with the solid blue ornaments and the sparkly white and silver ornaments. And you'll need some stem wire and your scissors. Okay, check to make sure that your lights work first. Okay, and you'll need to fluff your garland because it's kind of flat. And I think this garland was maybe around $10, probably a little less than 10 actually. So just fluff it, and then you're ready for your ribbon. And like I said, I purchased this at Sam's Club, and I'm just using the greenery itself and just using it and twisting the ribbon right in. Then I'm leaving probably about 6 to 8 inches loop before I twist it in to my greenery again. And don't pull it tight, leave it loose. So just skip a section, probably about, I don't know, 7 or 8 inches, and then do another loop. I didn't measure, so just whatever looks right to you. Don't leave, too much slack, but then don't pull it tight either. So just leave it like it is, where it kind of makes a wave look. And if you hear something, it's my little chihuahua. But you'll just continue all the way down your garland with your first color of ribbon. Okay, and here it is with the navy ribbon, and that's kind of a sheer ribbon. Okay, and for my second color ribbon, I went with the gold. And it's really pretty and has that shimmer effect, which looks real pretty with the lights on. And I just untwisted it, the same green pieces that I put my navy ribbon in, and put my gold in there, then retwisted it back closed. So just use your same greenery pieces. And try to make your loops about the same size as you did with your first color ribbon. And if you don't like the way it looks, then just stop right there and redo your loop. But it works best if you use ribbon with wire, and this is the 2.5-inch width. And my gold ribbon was from Dollar General, and it took 2 rolls of it. And I had some left over of the gold. Okay, so there it is with my 2 colors of ribbon. Okay, and what I'm doing here is tying a big bow, and you'll just go back and forth, making your loops about the same size, keeping it pinched tight in your hand. Don't let go of the center, and just go back and forth until you get the bow the size you want for your garland. And you're going to need a total of 3 bows, 1 for the center and 1 for each end. Then you'll need either a pipe cleaner or some floral stem wire to wrap around the center of your bow to tie it off. And if you buy your ribbon at Sam's Club, I believe it's 50 feet long, and it's around $7 for a roll. Okay, so I just took a green pipe cleaner, went to the back, and gave it a few twists. And I used the pipe cleaner to attach it to my garland. And you'll have to fluff your loops several times before you get ready to put the garland on your mantle. But if you choose to use the deco mesh instead of this type ribbon, you do the same thing. Just skip a little bit of space, put it in the greenery pieces, and leave the loops loose. Same steps, just different material. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments below and I'll try to answer them. But here I am attaching the bow to the center of the garland. And I just twisted it to the back and kind of folded down the ends of the pipe cleaner. And then I'm trying to fluff the ribbon a little bit. And I just added a bow to each end. And if you have any questions about tying bows, I have a few bow tutorials on my page. I'll try to link one below for you. Okay, now these are the larger glitter ornaments. They're about the size of a grapefruit. And so I went with 3 on each side of the center bow. And I just used my floral stem wire to thread through the ribbon of each ornament. And I like to do my ornaments in clusters. So I usually do clusters of 3. And these are shatterproof ornaments, so make sure you use shatterproof ornaments for this garland. Once you get them on your wire, just give it a little twist so that they stay together in a bundle, and then you're ready to attach it onto your garland. And I put a big bundle of 3 on the left side and the right side of my center bow. I just wired it to the back and folded the wire under. Okay, so I have my shatterproof ornaments on each side of my center bow. And I'm also going to add some of the blue ornaments to this garland. And you can also add like floral picks if you would like. I found some real cute ones for $1.98 at Walmart. Some little antler ones that were white with the silver and white glitter. So I'm thinking about getting some of them and adding to it too. But here I am adding the shatterproof navy colored balls. And I just did the same thing, a group of 3, put a floral stem wire through it, gave it a twist, then went on to the next set. And I'm going to attach a cluster at each end of the garland. You can add as many clusters as you would like, but I just kept it simple for this one. Okay, and you'll just go to the back of your garland, give it a few twists and attach the wire, and then fold your wire under. And this is real simple to do, and it turns out really pretty. It looks really pretty with the lights on. I appreciate everyone watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and please like and share. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a Merry Christmas.